Hello, in this video I will show you 3 different methods of setting your universal LCD LED remote control for any TV brands. This is the RM-014s Plus remote control. First thing is to check the brand of your TV. Mine is Samsung. The first method will work if your TV brand is on this table. If your TV brand is on the table, we will use the code to set the remote control. For example, for Samsung it is set plus 3. We're gonna press and hold the set and the 3 button until the light flashes 3 times. Now the remote control has been set for my Samsung TV. Keep watching the video. At the end I will show you how to lock the settings so that you don't accidentally remove the setting from the remote control. If your TV brand is not on the list, the second method is to press and hold the set button on the remote control until the volume is increased on the TV. This may take a few minutes depending on your TV brand. As you can see now, volume appears on my TV. Now the remote control is working. The third method of setting the remote control is by using the images of remote controls in the instruction booklet. In case you don't have this booklet, you can find the same in a separate video on my channel. I will put the link in the description below. Find your remote control in this list. For example, if I have this Hisense remote control, the code is 013. On the universal remote control, press and hold the power and set button until the light is on. Now press on the code. The code for this Hisense remote control is 013. So we will press 013. So now the remote will work as this Hisense remote control. After you have set your universal TV remote control, you will need to lock the settings. To lock or unlock the setting on the remote control, press and hold the set and OK button together. The light will flash 4 times. Now the remote control has been locked. Thank you for watching this video and please subscribe to my channel.